boring, repetitive work. Now we have to get these ready before we can bolt the wheel back together. Some of them got bent when we took them apart on last Friday. Now we need to drill out these holes to 1/4 of an inch and 5/16 of an inch. One more to go for this phase. Now we have to drill these 1/4 of an inch. Everything times 18. All the zinc protective coating, which is galvanizing. So I'm going to spread these out and spray them with a high zinc cold galvanizing compound. I don't want to get this stuff. Now we put the sail ribs on the sail. This is how we do it. Well, we're halfway finished with this phase. Now I'm weighing these blades because they can vary by as much as 1/2 pound depending on the galvanizing. Since they're all off the same windmill, chances are they're close because they would have all come from the same batch. But I'm just going to check and make sure. 3.34. $109, 280, 284. That one ate Oreos. That's 290. And 338. And 332. See? And 332. There we go. Shall we take it apart and do it again? After all that, it's good to celebrate. So I have a beautiful prayer by John O'Donohue for Vespers. That's an evening prayer. As light departs to let the earth be one with night, silence deepens in the mind and thoughts grow slow. The basket of twilight brims over with colors, gathered from within the secret meadows of the day and offered like blessings to the gathering tenebrae. After the day's frenzy, may the heart grow still, gracious in thought for all the day brought. Surprises that dawn could never have dreamed, the blue silence that came to still the mind, the quiver of mystery at the edge of a glimpse, the golden echoes of worlds behind voices. Tense faces unable to hide what gripped the heart, the abrupt cut of a glance or a word that hurt, the flame of longing that distance darkened, bouquets of memory gathered on the heart's altar, the thorns of absence in the rose of dream, and the whole while the unknown underworld of the mind turning slowly in its secret orbit. May the blessing of sleep bring refreshment and release, and the angel of the moon call the rivers of dream to soften the hardened earth of the outside life, disentangle from the trapped nets the hurt and sorrow, and awaken the young soul for the new tomorrow. In the name of Jesus, may it be so. God bless you, and thank you for joining me today. We'll see you again tomorrow.